The Food Safety and Standards Authority of India (FSSAI) has been established under Food Safety and Standards 2006, which consolidates various acts and orders that have hitherto handled food-related issues in various ministries and departments. FSSAI has been created for laying down science-based standards for articles of food and to regulate their manufacture, storage, distribution, sale and import to ensure availability of safe and wholesome food for human consumption. Highlights of the Food Safety and Standard Act, 2006. Various central acts like Prevention of Food Adulteration Act, 1954, Fruit Products Order, 1955, Meat Food Products Order, 1973, Vegetable Oil Products Control Order, 1947, Edible Oils Packaging Regulation Order, 1988, Solvent Extracted Oil, Oiled Meal and Edible Flour Control Order, 1967, Milk and Milk Products Order, 1992. etc. will be repealed after commencement of FSS Act, 2006. The Act also aims to establish a single reference point for all matters relating to food safety and standards, by moving from multi-level, multi-departmental control to a single line of command. To this effect, the Act establishes an independent statutory authority, the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, with head office at Delhi. Food Safety and Standards Authority of India (FSSAI) and the state food safety authorities shall enforce various provisions of the Act. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India is the administrative ministry for the implementation of FSSAI. The Chairperson and Chief Executive Officer of Food Safety and Standards Authority of India (FSSAI) have already been appointed by Government of India. The Chairperson is in the rank of Secretary to Government of India. FSSAI has been mandated by the FSS Act, 2006 for performing the following functions: framing of regulations to lay down the standards and guidelines in relation to articles of food and specifying appropriate system of enforcing various standards thus notified; laying down mechanisms and guidelines for accreditation of certification bodies engaged in certification of food safety management system for food businesses; laying down procedure and guidelines for accreditation of laboratories and notification of the accredited laboratories; to provide scientific advice and technical support to central government and state governments in the matters of framing the policy and rules in areas which have a direct or indirect bearing of food safety and nutrition; collect and collate data regarding food consumption, incidence and prevalence of biological risk, contaminants in food, residues of various, and contaminants in foods products, identification of emerging risks and introduction of rapid alert system; creating an information network across the country so that the public, consumers, panchayats etc. receive rapid, reliable and objective information about food safety and issues of concern; provide training programs for persons who are involved or intend to get involved in food businesses; contribute to the development of international technical standards for food, sanitary and Python sanitary standards, and to promote general awareness about food safety and food standards. The foremost responsibility of FSSAI include the development of science-based food standards for articles of food and food products and to regulate their manufacture, storage, distribution, sale and import to ensure availability of safe and wholesome food for human consumption. Whereas a healthy diet is a diet that helps maintain or improve overall health. A healthy diet provides the body with essential nutrition, fluid, macronutrients, micronutrients, and adequate food energy. A healthy diet may contain fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, and may include little to no processed food or sweetened beverages. The requirements for a healthy diet can be met from a variety of plant-based and animal-based foods, although a non-plant source of vitamin B12 is needed for those following a vegan diet. Various nutrition guides are published by medical and governmental institutions to educate individuals on what they should be eating to be healthy. Nutrition facts labels are also mandatory in some countries to allow consumers to choose between foods based on the components relevant to health. It is mandatory to sell packed food only as per FSSAI specification and should bear FSSAI logo. If you think that this video is beneficial, then please share, like, subscribe and comment so that others can be benefited too. Thanks.